Replacing windows in your Nampa home is an investment that not only enhances your property's aesthetic appeal but also improves energy efficiency and comfort. To ensure that your new windows continue to perform well and look great for years to come, it's essential to practice proper maintenance. In this guide, we'll explore simple yet effective ways to care for your new windows, ensuring they remain a valuable part of your home for years. Regular cleaning for crystal clear views. Keeping your windows clean is one of the simplest ways to maintain their appearance and functionality. Here's how to do it effectively. Glass cleaning. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar to clean the glass. Wipe with a microfiber cloth or squeegee for a streak-free finish. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage coatings on energy-efficient windows. Frame care. Depending on the frame material, clean them with a damp cloth and mild soap. Vinyl and aluminum frames are low maintenance, but wooden frames may need occasional resealing or painting to prevent moisture damage. Track and sill cleaning. Dust, debris, and dirt can accumulate in window tracks and sills, affecting how smoothly your windows operate. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment or a small, soft brush to remove dirt, and wipe down the area with a damp cloth. Inspect seals and weather stripping. New windows are designed with seals and weather stripping to keep drafts out and maintain energy efficiency. Over time, these components can wear out or shift. To prevent air leaks and energy loss, check the seals around the window edges for cracks, gaps, or wear. Inspect weather stripping for tears or compression. Replace damaged sections to ensure a tight seal. Apply silicone caulk to any minor gaps that appear between the window frame and your home's structure. Lubricate moving parts. If your new windows have operable components, such as sliders, casement hinges, or locks, they'll need occasional lubrication to function smoothly. Use these tips. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to moving parts, avoiding petroleum-based products that can attract dust or degrade materials. Operate the windows a few times after lubrication to evenly distribute the product. Remove excess lubricant to prevent buildup. Protect windows from harsh elements. Nampa's climate can range from hot summers to chilly winters, so protecting your windows from the elements is crucial. UV protection. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause fading on window frames and surrounding materials. Use window treatments like blinds or UV blocking film to reduce damage. Storm preparedness. If you live in a part of Nampa prone to storms or high winds, consider installing storm shutters or impact-resistant windows. Always remove debris from sills and tracks after severe weather. Monitor for condensation. Condensation on your windows can indicate potential issues with insulation or indoor humidity levels. Follow these steps to address condensation. Wipe away moisture promptly to prevent mold or water damage. Use a dehumidifier or improve ventilation in areas with high humidity, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Ensure the seal on double or triple pane windows is intact. Fogging between panes could indicate seal failure, requiring professional attention. Schedule routine inspections. Regular inspections allow you to catch minor issues before they become significant problems. Every few months, take a closer look at frame integrity, hardware functionality, seals and weather stripping, glass condition. If you notice any issues that you can't resolve, don't hesitate to contact a professional window contractor in Nampa for help. Avoid common mistakes to ensure long-term performance. Steer clear of these maintenance pitfalls. Using harsh cleaners, abrasive products can scratch glass and damage finishes. Ignoring dirt in tracks. Accumulated debris can impede window operation. Skipping repairs. Small cracks or damaged seals can lead to bigger problems if not addressed promptly. Conclusion. Your new windows are a valuable investment that can transform your Nampa home, but maintaining them is key to maximizing their lifespan and performance. By following these simple steps, regular cleaning, inspecting seals, lubricating moving parts, and protecting against the elements, you can ensure your windows remain in top condition for years to come. For professional advice or assistance, reach out to a trusted window contractor in Nampa to keep your windows in perfect shape.